tibinang di kuwa ito sa pagod ni binakan total na madaw ni garabi ta binaka
Don't binaka.
na madaw ito sangay pa matak di kuwa ano binaka la noa
Ano binaka, another week, another hustle, eh?
Ayo.
We communicate sarna we kanta ninto pat politiko mai to all the children that are boarding the bus this morning to go to school. It's a Monday, but please be positive all the time. So maruta ka na weekend.
Iyo.
So tiko ngay bale. To all the parents, hardworking parents that are boarding the bus this morning, boarding the taxi, whatever transportation that you are boarding.
Yeah.
Kito sa panu ni binaka tayo niyan mata ka ni kuan niyan binaka.
Well, good morning to everyone. Walk smart, walk hard.
Right.
Some people they say, don't walk hard, walk smart.
Right.
Every time you walk with a plan. You walk whatever things that help you, that teach you a lesson.
Iyo.
Right.
Because every mistake we do, we learn a lesson from it.
Yes.
So whenever we learn a lesson, don't ever repeat that same mistake
Right.
you do.
Doon mo binak.
Right. Pamela
Barunak.
Singh and the gang tuning in from President Coffee at President Plaza Samambula.
Yeah, Barunak.
Hey, good morning, good morning.
I would like to say big binabagale to all my friends.
Right.
And tamata na dogor geng ni takataka.
Right.
And nasali ka kamurangon na VTFM and a surprise visit yesterday.
Birthday surprise.
Yeah, after lunch yesterday I was at home with the family and I heard that what you call it
The cars.
cars, eh?
Yeah.
Coming through the driveways.
1, 2, 3 cars.
Yeah, and ask
Like a raid.
Iyo. And I ask Grigory.
Yeah.
To the commander, who's coming there? And he saw, after a while, he recognized my Fustina.
Right.
Because of the voice and the bigness.
Yes.
Iyo.
And I was also, because I came back from work, I was also wearing the t-shirt.
Right, sabi ko, Grigory, mo. Orto na mo may balita ka. Can I recall what tamay Fustina said? Asked me last week,
Right.
where will you be this Sunday?
Right.
And I told him, see, I'll be at home. Ako sa kinda mo sarangan, doon na, sa wag mo naman nakapagaliya, sa pa kasi ngalibo ito, sa kan ito.
Yeah.
If not,
Oh!
ayaw, tuka sa nipalya. Tuka sa nipalya, nabuntukin na. Thank you, man.
Ano sendo na iba ta kila reda or may na nature.
Butterfly.
Siya nga, wala saranga.
No.
Eh, wala saranga.
tu.
Siya nga. Ako baka tingo sarto nga. Siya nga nito ko ni ka. Ako baka tingo tu na noa, na siga na noa.
Right.
Ano po na buni ka na yato na bi ka pa kang domong bulay. Iyo.
Nabira rabuy.
Nabiraraboy.
Binabali mo.
Iyo. They come with a big sebu-sebu and a
Right.
big cake, sweet cake, na birthday cake, what a big loloma.
You know, it's important for us, like Dems has just said, eh?
You still know my name? May?
Every
Pagkabi mo,
menatobi
si
ka
Martin
wita ka.
nga. Iyo.
Menatobi ka wita ka na may kanta ni Sembula. Eh?
But I was
Celebrate
Iyo.
life.
Thank you so much.
Right.
I was surprised yesterday.
Right.
My Faustina never touched the lips with a grog.
Yeah, he was in the leads.
Oh,
What?
okay.
Right.
But he was sitting down the next to the car.
Yeah.
When he dombo.
Right.
Because, okay, nalengada, his computer is very
weak.
demote. He knows
Yeah.
he's together with his bloodline
Yeah.
from Bungali.
Right.
Ano nabyo ka ni may...
And 2 there.
Not 2, 3.
3, right.
There are 3 Bungali leads.
3 enemies there.
Yeah, 3 enemies. Because every time talk on the radio, everything Bungali.
Right.
Everything Bungali.
But when it comes, when the Bungale is there,
Yeah.
he ran away.
Saukasa is there. Bungali, no,
Yeah.
here. And yesterday,
Yeah.
we eyewitness
Right.
on what happening. Tamay Rusi was there from Tombonungyo.
Right.
Yeah.
Willie Mone was there from Nandaro.
Yeah.
Nemasmasi.
Masi was there too.
Yeah.
Not 1 Nemasmasi. 2 or 3 Nemasmasi there.
3 there.
Tamay Phoebe.
He just had
Yeah.
to run.
Yeah.
Tamay
If
Phoebe
not,
and the gang.
yeah.
So everybody was there. And after Atu drank the cup of bowl of Ayagona. And Willie Mone was there. Amale was there to doing the
Right.
Rambe.
Yeah.
When the Rambe gone, one Rambe gone, Bill was there.
Yeah.
A Rambe. And before Bill, Neombo. Sabi hindi ka sa Ombo mo tami Faustin.
Bawas ang alay
Kala
niya.
sa ikaw ko ya.
Right.
Iyo. Sa Ombo.
Yeah.
And Tamay Rusi from Tomboningyo
Yeah.
was there, was a Bamet.
Right.
He had the...
Yeah, you had the...
Mga ka na Ombo.
Yeah.
Then after Atu Dreng, Nangono ngay ngunut kino ato sabu isarang o tamay ru sambi ta sarang nang bame tipat kento nang biloliw.
Iya.
Samuri tamay frustration sarang. No, ay ulen titiko. Ya na bodomokin. Bodomong nga mo tinibon nuwa. Kemuni turang na marama.
Iya.
Wasa mata ko taman relew.
Iya.
Au sa na numangan de o lebula ko tamba tu na flying pigeon.
Iya.
Nindaw kalaw.
Iya.
Nakalaw ko kalungatan ito na bay kasi nga trespass. Bati nila ini kay ngutu-ngutuan, kay ngutu-ngutuan to di sulwato nga. Abang ko lewa mutu. Kakuan yon daw basa nga ito na kadato may bunga ni. Iya babu ni nakabali. Thank you very much for the yesterday to today Chone.
Right. Yes.
Mrs. Randua.
Iya.
Junia and
Lewa.
right,
They
Joyce.
coming together, they celebrate. And also from who's for Mayon Buka.
Iya.
Oi, right.
Otaw kay Brown.
Na itulo-tulo ba to?
Otaw kay Brown no nakulilo.
Natutubo batu.
Iya.
Iya. Thank you very much.
Ledwa.
Ledo.
Isa. Well, thank you very much. Happy belated birthday, Atu.
Na boleh
Yes.
besar se?
May your future will be many more.
It's important to celebrate life, because nangonong ko antasari that to death is just unpredictable.
Yeah.
Every now and then we hear people dying. So when we are alive,
Yes.
it is very important. Celebrate life.
Yeah. Love your neighbor, love yourself,
Right.
love everyone.
Right.
Life in
And
this
Tamarusi
life.
too gave you one bull.
Right.
He gave me one bowl. I
Yeah.
told Tamarusi, I'm nearly 1 year now.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm nil by mouth of this
Ah,
Autambutu.
right.
Iya.
And always likewise from the playground in Lausuri.
Yeah.
They gave me, I told them, Isa, ni boso tiyaw saka.
Iya.
Kaya kau semberan baka ni orang ada recyo. Satu kuna baka tentu nunggu bikin muni sabungan gue bita na bula.
Iya.
Au saka tiyaw baka boleh kakinan dola yang baki.
Right.
Kaya kau tukun di bitu na bula saya wa mai.
Yeah.
Sabungan gue bertu, sabungan gue bita na bula minto na yang baki.
Iya.
Kila berong-rong oleh bukin na.
Iya.
Right.
Meron isu kan nambil.
Sa
Saka
boleh
ini
kan.
ngomong gion di mana mama bebisak nambil oleh ya.
Pita came and baby Shaq too came.
Pita tak ni walu,
Sama
right.
came twice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Iya.
And somehow when he
And
came,
Meliki too.
he was really hurt. Because
Why?
he really enjoyed. He has just started drinking grog.
Ah.
And then time is up. He should be at work. He came.
Ah.
As soon 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7:30, he was messaging me. Hey, please. Can I record? What? What is that? Hit FM has never done that. You want to be the first?
Iya. Kalau mo tayo no Mikael galong bulo, afu sakilaki kilemen.
Wala ka sara men, reta la shift dia baby shark.
iya.
Kalau taka man talo ni Alice yesterday on a Sunday during the shopping time.
Right. Met with the Mrs. family
Oh.
during right.
We went to shopping on yesterday.
Right.
And I look like this. I saw Alice and Esther,
Yes.
her daughter.
Yeah.
Myself, one trolley, all the kids inside.
Right.
Yes.
Abu
Three
pula,
kids.
3 kids.
Uh-uh.
And I was hey, Mbula, pambuli ba Esther, Mbula. This is Abu, Puna, and Lewa.
Right.
Yeah.
Vambulo kito Mortek Sara kito sa Warupas. After we pass, then this child was talking at the back. Hey,
Iya.
plenty kids. Aku mungkin langsung kami pa. Hey,
Yes.
be mindful of your talking. Be fruitful and multiply.
Alam mo ka? Hey.
Abang ko, hey, Lewa.
They can fit in the trolley, eh?
They can fit in that trolley. Sabay wali te kyo may. Katumo nang kunde daw. Abang ko, iyo. Sabay ka tempara te kyo may nangonen ko.
Kinsimerero kong boss yan, Rayan Rabinaka, Samuela,
Yes,
Vera Bakawalun, daw yan Rabinaka, may Bautikina Road.
Kung na-force ni matatimin ni nausurin ko.
Noy!
Napoleon ni Tambuabu. Natarubo ni Sabu Bungalitelebo.
Sandi na.
Ahoy! Mbula binaka.
Jose Seray ni Mayan Rabinaka. Kelemendi Afo yan, Rayan Rabinaka, may singatoka. Lala mo to yan, ibig tabole gumika. Ito niya, yan Rabinaka. Ito yan,
Kalau
Rabinaka.
sarang mo, kalau.
Kalau. Kalau tu ni suruh batang.
Oh iya usando kau sini kelas ya tapi na biya me ombo kino ka.
Iyo, siya nga, basuri, baka may, sini baka sumta ko ya.
Tama talibu ko vivi sarang usah bang ko eh.
Siya nga matanga ni tata, ko ngailang ko iliw, ibig ito, sa galito ko namay. O sa lolomay, pa nanduy wati mundo.
Au sangkay.
Yor taon namin ko nga ya, may mga mo nga birto.
Tataw tu dak ya. Usah nanu mga dito sa tunan dura bonua ni obang ko tamarlibu. yung bula bila ka tabale tinay miri. Ani ko may sabaw. Isa.
So,
Pinawali mo. Kita mo kito sa ba?
doon
Yeah.
na ka.